Hi, my name is John Palios, and in this presentation, I will be talking about binary. So, binary is the language that computers use to display and process information. And binary is usually represented by different variations of a string of ones and zeros. So, something like that would represent data. Contrary to popular belief, binary isn't always represented by ones and zeros. It can be represented by other figures such as like full dots versus empty dots and different variations of that. So something like that could be binary, plus and minuses, and it doesn't even have to be symbols. It can also be like smoke signals. Smoke would be a body of smoke would be a 1, but no smoke would be a 0. Knots on a string could be binary, so a knot would be 1, and the absence of a knot would be 0. And the way binary works is that each one is a representation of a number. So if we had 8 ones in a row, the first one would be a 1, the second one would be a 2, then a 4, then an 8. So the pattern is they double with each one. So it would be 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, and it can keep going after that. But you can also add with binary. It's a little bit different than how you would normally add. So let me clear some space here. If we had 1, 0, 0, and then 1, 1, 1, and we are adding that, it's not 100 plus 111, which would be 211. It's not that easy, unfortunately, but it's not hard either. So if we were to add this, 0 plus 1, that's still a 1. 0 plus 1, that's a 1. But 1 plus 1, it isn't 2. It would actually be what looks like a 10 to us. So 1 plus 1, it would be a full digit here. So we go to 0 and then we carry the 1 over and bring it down. And how we would check that is, so this would be representation of 1, this would be 2, and this would be 4. So up top it is 4. This would be a 1, a 2, and a 4. So that would be 7. And then here on the bottom we have a 1, a 2, a 4, and an 8, which would be 11. And then 4 plus 7 is also 11. So that's how you add in binary. That's how you add in binary. So there's a lot of different things that binary applies to, and there are a lot of different things you can do with binary, but that's just an overview.